Today's tutorial, we are going to color the tulip flowers. They're so pretty and I've made it into a fun way. We'll be going over through the steps until you will see how your artwork will have such the way it turned out to be. And of course, you do not ever need to use the exact typical colors of the tulips like I'm using. You could use any type of colors you like as long as they're pretty or prettier for sure. And let's get started. So let's start with the first tulip. We're going to use the tiptoe teal. So I'm gonna say this again. You don't ever have to use the exact colors as what I'm using for this tutorial. You could use any of the varieties of colors for every part of tulips. That way your artwork can become more creative. Okay, so for the first one here, let's trace in the shape first. Because I'm going to outline the edges. Okay, and let's fill it in. Then for the second petal, the tulip, let's use lightning bug. I reckon this is the nice color. The yellow color, which is great for tulip. But you can use any similar types of yellow. Because this one is glowing. I'm sure if this is exactly sure that it looks out glowing to you. And for the last tulip, let's use orchid petals. Yeah, and it's definitely purple. I am royalty to say to you that this is a beautiful, wonderful color for the tulips. So far, so good. Now let's color the stems and the leaves. So for the stems, let's use 4-leaf clover, which is a fantastic light green color here. We're gonna do for the 3. And for the leaves, let's use garden green. This is also a fantastic color, how we used to color for the leaves. Which is the nicest color I've experimented. It looks incredible. The only thing left now is that we're going to outline the tulips, and we are going to use the toy poodle color, which is a black, of course. So now let's outline by every tulip one at a time. So let's do that. Just like how we have started. And when you are outlining the tulip, we're gonna make a thin, crisp line. Indeed. So let's say to about here. Because we're making a leaf-like shaped petal for the tulip. Let's make it thin and pretty well indeed. Try not to pressure yourself unless we're gonna outline with a thicker stroke. So let's determine the tulips, and you'll have something like these. And this finished artwork looks fantastic. Yeah, wasn't that too easy? Well, of course, you're welcome to give it more. The way you make them such like crops or mutations. Definitely well proud indeed. And I will see you again soon. Goodbye.